Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint X tutorial how to draw circle. So I will use the brush tools, and if you want to draw a circle, you can click this hand icon. In drawing tools, you can choose the circle option. So this is for the fill color in blue color. I will create in it the circle. So you can see we have the outline, the black color. If you want to change, you can click this option. Like I will set into red color, and if you draw, it will be set for the outline into the red color. And if you want to change the fill of the circle, you can choose again in the circle option. Click fill color. I will set into this color sign, and then we can draw again at this point. So that's it for basic Ibis Paint X tutorial, how to draw circle. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.